Yes, for example, to find sin 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is equal 90 plus 30, 120. Now here we are going to find sin 120 degrees angle value, which is in the form of sin of A plus B, which is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then what is the degree value of A? 90 degrees. Yes or no? A is equal to 90 degrees into cos 30. B is equal to 30 degrees plus cos A is equal to 90 degrees. B is equal to 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 90 is equal to 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 0 into 1 by 2, 0. 1 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Then sin 120 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Here we are finding the 120 degrees of sin value by using compound angles of sin of A plus B. For example, if I used all silver teacups, here we have to find sin 120 degrees. Then make it equal to this value with sin 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin 90, here we have 90. Then which will be converted as cos in sin 90 plus theta. In sin 90 plus theta we have sin. Then it will be place. It will be in place. Then cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by, yes or no? Then try to use this angle. Then sin 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. Sin which can lies in the point of 180 minus theta. That's why sin can be treated as positive value. As usually we have here 180. If there is 180, this value doesn't get any change. But the angle value, theta value belongs to 90 degrees and 270 degrees. The value goes to change. Sin converted as a cos becomes as a sin, tan becomes as a cot becomes as a tan, cosecant becomes as a secant becomes as a cosecant. Then sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Then check as usual with multiple angle formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Then here theta, try to use theta is equal to 60. Then we get 2 into 60, 120. 2 into 60, 120. Yes or no? Then sin 120 degrees. Then 2 sin theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Yes, 2 into sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Root 3 into 1, root 3. Then 1 into 2, 2. Then sin 120 degrees, which is also equal to root 3 by 2. Here we find it by using multiple angles. Here we find it by using all silver teacups. Here we find it by using compound angles. Yes. కొద్ది డోస్ ఎక్కువైంది కదా చూసాం కదా. yes, still we are looking towards sin values. Then look at once, already I told sin values which lies between 0 and 1. Sin values, all sin values from 0 degrees to 360 degrees which lies between 0 and 1. All cos degree values which lies between 1 and 0. 1 and 0 మనకు అడుగుతాడండి కొన్నిసార్లు మనకి ఎంసీక్యూస్లో అడుగుతాడు. సైన్ డిగ్రీ వాల్యూస్ ఏ దాని నుంచి ఏదానికి ఉంటాయండి, కాస్ దేని మధ్యలో ఉంటాయండి. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. 0 to 1, ఇవైతే 1 to 0. మళ్ళీ కొసికెంట్ అయితే నో యాక్చువల్ దోస్ వాల్యూస్ విచ్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ మోర్ దెన్ 1. ఎందుకంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కొసికెంట్ 30 degree values? 2. Cosecant 30 is equal to, yes, కోసికెంట్ 30 డిగ్రీ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది మనకు 2 అవుతుంది. సైన్ 30 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1/2, కోసికెంట్ 30 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మళ్ళీ చూడండి 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉందా? కానీ సైన్ కాస్ మాత్రం 0 నుంచి 1 మధ్యలోనే ఉంటాయి, 1 మధ్యలోనే ఉంటాయి. దెన్ లుక్ హియర్, కాస్ a ప్లస్ b, కాస్